Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on the front speakers again. This time I'm installing brand new ones instead of the old used garbage. I got some JBL Club 6520 blah 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 160mm speaker. This is it. It's gonna come in here where the old one used to be. There's this cover I'm not gonna use, whatever. And it comes with an adapter for all sorts of things. Well, it doesn't even go in there, and if you do fit it, it doesn't fit quite that well. So I'm gonna cut off these tabs here. I cut these off and try and get it to seal flushly around this hole. And then I'm gonna fashion a new speaker cup behind this so that moisture and stuff doesn't get and ruin my speakers. It's in the grip. I'm gonna use a saw to cut it. I could use my Dremel, but it makes all sorts of a mess. So I'm just gonna use this steel saw, I think. Just cut the plastic. See, that cut it off without making a huge mess of things like the Dremel usually does. Now I'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more times. Okay, next thing I'm doing is I'm gonna fashion speaker cups behind the adapter plate. I got 2 old empty paint cups. They're all dirty and shitty. So basically just cram that in there, glue it in, bam. Speaker cup at the back. That should be well, right? That's all you need. I'm gonna mark it up with tape and cut them. Time for a test fit. This is where I find out I cut out too much. Alright, that's fit. That fits in. I don't even have to glue this together. This stuff is in pretty solid. So let's see how this fits. Bam! Perfect all around. Amazing. So yeah, this protects the speaker from nature, basically. You just need to cut up a hole where I think the bottom will be, and that's it, done. I'll epoxy this in later. Just super glue right now. First thing, I'll drill a hole at the bottom for the connectors to go in. Well, that'll do it. Yeah, how's that for a hole? Well, I'm gonna epoxy this in and do the other one as well. I got the cups all epoxied up. I'm gonna wipe them off and paint them on the outside. Pro tip, where you can get runs on the side, you can't get runs on the top. So if you want an extra thick layer of paint, just blast the top with paint, it's fine. Because it'll all spread out, not runs. On the sides though, thin cuts. Alright, I'm here at the speaker hole. The cups are finished. There's a few breather holes inside, as you can see, so the air pressure can regulate. I painted. Not amazing, but you know, whatever, nobody's seeing this. This side, as you can see, is way lower than the other side. So this side, this is the lowest point, has to go here. That's where the window is the closest. So let's position it about something like this. That's a lot of dust. What the shit is this? So I decided I'm going to use one factory mounting point up here for this one, and I drilled a hole for this one on here. That's really all I need, I think. Alright, here's the finished result. This is the speaker inside its cage. It's pretty solid. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna play nice music like a good speaker would. And then I didn't install the nice speaker grill because this comes over it anyway. That's it for this side, and we'll go back to the rear. There's speaker holes, and there's the covers. So I made a cardboard template to go over these. That's roughly the same shape as these holes. They're very oddly shaped. This is where the bass tubes will normally go in. A very rare feature in the car. I also made little holes to show me where the holes are. I'm gonna cut the whole thing out of MDF and just plonk a speaker in. Honestly, two very different things came out of this, but if they both fit, I'm fine with that. Let's see. Alright, test fit first. Yeah. Oh, it fits. Let's fit the second one. Yep, that one also fits. They both fit. You know, it's not a super airtight seal, but you know, better than nothing. So a tip on how to drill or cut out a large hole in a piece of wood. You probably all know this, but for those who don't, first drill a hole here and start from there cutting out this hole. Alright, so here's the finished result. This is the speaker and its adapter. It's just a normal 160mm speaker as well. I won't be running any crazy subwoofers or amps in the trunk. Just a simple 4-way speaker system in a normal old tape deck. This is a tape deck I got, by the way. It's an older Sony unit, but it has steering wheel controls, which is pretty cool and pretty period correct, if you ask me. So in an upcoming episode I'll be reworking this to accept 3.5 auxiliary input, because the tape deck is busted, so I can run my own music to these new speakers. And that's it for now. See you next time.